Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please click on like and subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's going to be the last lesson I do on this Honeywell 6290 for right now. As far as users go, I may do an installer video. But the last thing you need to know as a user is basically arm away, arm stay, arm night, and disarm. So the arm away button, you press that when you're leaving the house for the day or for, let's say, vacation or something. The difference between arm stay and arm away, two main differences is the arm away gives you an audible exit, so it beeps at you while you're exiting the house. The arm stay button gives you the same delay time to get out of the house, but it doesn't beep at you. So if you hit the arm away button and actually don't leave your house, the panel is set to default unless your installer changed it to go into stay mode, because it doesn't think you open and close the door, so it thinks you're still in the house. So it will go to stay mode if you hit arm away and don't leave the house. Arming the away button will enable the motion sensors inside the house and anything else set to program that way. So you can actually program a door to be armed away mode or arm stay mode, so it wouldn't arm or disarm. Mostly that's set up for motion sensors. When you hit the arm stay button, again, same way, the motion sensors are disabled, so you can walk around the inside of the house, but your perimeter is still set. Now, if you've got an area like an office or something like that, you could still program one of those motion sensors to be triggered while the alarm is in stay mode. So make sure you talk to your installer when you set it up, you set it up correctly. Arm night was in that other menu I showed you on one of the other videos. You can set arm night up for different ways. So you can set the arm night up for stay mode, away mode, or you can actually configure it so it goes like instant or maximum. So if you set the arm night button to instant, basically there's no delay in or no delay out. Once you set the alarm, it's set. So if somebody comes through the door, even though you've got a delay on the door, the alarm goes off. That's basically when you're home at night, going to bed, and you know for a fact no one's going to open the door. Now, I tell most of my customers not to use that, especially if they have pets. If you have pets and you go to let the dog out or something in the middle of the night, you're going to open the door, the alarm goes off instantly. There's no time to turn off the alarm before the siren goes off. Disarm's pretty obvious. When you come in, if the alarm is going off or beeping at you, it's going to come up and say disarm. Or let's say you hit arm stay, and then you're going to let the dog out, you forgot something, crap, I need to turn off the alarm. You would hit disarm and turn it off. My alarm's not going to arm because I've got all the wires off of it. Basically, I've just got the keypad powered up right now. But if it was in arming or beeping at you, you could disarm it and turn it off before it actually got to the arm part. Anyhow, that's it for this lesson. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Please click on like and subscribe.